video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Google search history. It's just in few minutes. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do first is you need to go to your Google homepage like this. Okay, so you will be in this page like this. What you will do, you will click over here on this 3 points over here, and you should see over here setting. Okay, so click on setting like this, and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on privacy and security. Okay, like this, you will be in this page as you can see, and you should see over here clear browsing. So select this like this and click over here on clear data. Okay, and your search history will be deleted. So that's how you can delete search history on Google. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment. See you in my next video.